So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 times NCR. This is a basic manipulation based question. So this question is based on the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. So if you have this, so how do we apply this formula in this condition? So first what we do is NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 times NCR can be written as NCR plus NCR. Now if you have these two terms here, NCR plus NCR minus 1, so these two terms combinedly will form N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. Now what does the sum of these two become? NCR plus 1 plus NCR. These also have the same N here and the bottom numbers are differing by 1. So whenever the bottom numbers are differing by 1, N increases by 1 unit and you get the higher number. So NCR plus 1 plus NCR. NCR plus 1 plus NCR by the same formula will become N plus 1 CR plus 1. So the sum of these two will be N plus 1 CR plus 1. Now again you use the same formula for N plus 1. So N plus 1 CR plus N plus 1 CR plus 1 is equal to N plus 2. N will increase by 1 unit. C, the higher number of these two, that is R plus 1. So the sum of this is N plus 2 C R plus 1. Option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.